Welcome to our channel. Today we embark on a journey inward, a journey into the world of self-care. Self-care is not a luxury, but a necessity. It's about taking time for yourself to replenish your energy and nurture your mind, body and soul. Join me as we navigate the fascinating landscape of self-care and discover the tools you need to begin your own wellness journey. Just as the mighty oak depends on the health of its roots, our well-being relies on mental health. When our minds are cluttered with anxieties, it becomes difficult to flourish in other areas of life. I recall meeting a remarkable woman, a weaver in the Andes Mountains, who struggled with daily anxieties. She discovered mindfulness, observing her thoughts without judgment, which changed her life. The benefits of tending to our mental gardens are manifold. Reduced stress, improved focus, and a greater sense of peace. It's about creating space for stillness, reflection, and simply being. Our bodies deserve care and attention. Just as a neglected garden struggles, so do our bodies without essentials, nourishing food, restful sleep, and regular movement. Even a brisk walk through a park can profoundly impact our health. Feel the wind, the sun, observe the world around you. This is movement as medicine, invigorating the body and soothing the soul. In the hustle of modern life, finding moments of quietude is essential for our well-being. Deep breathing is an accessible and effective way to cultivate inner peace. Find a comfortable position, close your eyes, and allow your breath to deepen and slow. Imagine holding a feather beneath your nostrils. Inhale deeply, raising the feather with your breath. Hold for a moment, then exhale slowly, feeling the feather gently lower. Repeat this several times and feel the tension melt away. Mindfulness is the practice of paying attention to the present moment without judgment. It's about savoring the simple act of sipping your morning tea, noticing the warmth of the cup in your hand, the aroma filling your senses. Mindfulness can be cultivated through various practices, from formal meditation to everyday activities. Consider mindful eating. Slow down, engage all your senses. Observe the vibrant colors of your food, inhale its aroma, savor each bite. This is mindfulness in action, transforming the ordinary into something extraordinary. We are what we eat. The impact of our dietary choices on our well-being cannot be overstated. Just as a garden flourishes with nutrient-rich soil, our bodies thrive when fueled with wholesome foods. Healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated or restrictive. Swap processed snacks for berries or nuts. Experiment with recipes that incorporate fresh fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Food is not just fuel, it's a celebration of life, a source of immense pleasure and nourishment. Approach your meals with joy, gratitude, and a sense of adventure. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of self-care. Remember, the path to well-being is an ongoing process, a continuous unfolding. Experiment, explore, and discover the practices that resonate most deeply with your unique rhythm. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more wellness tips and inspiration. Until next time, may your journey be filled with joy, discovery, and peace.